Welcome to my channel. My name is Subha. In this video, I will show you how to make a landing page for affiliate marketing for free using Systeme.io. No credit card is needed. We will create a very simple landing page like this where you can capture first name and email. Then you will also create a very simple thank you page like this, and here you can link your affiliate offer. Lastly, you can create an email automation campaign like this. You can see first email is already sent, then 1 day's delay, and second email, and after the second email you will be sending third email. Just like this, you can send 10 emails, 20 emails, and even 100 emails for free using Systeme.io. So let me show you how to create this inside Systeme.io. It is free to start software. No credit card is needed. Link is in the description below. Let's get started. Once you are logged in into your Systeme.io account, you can go to here on to funnels tab. Here I have already created 3 funnels. With free account you can create up to 3 funnels. I have a paid plan, so I can create more than 3. Just click on the create button here. Here you can enter your name, the sender's name. You can enter your name. My name is Subha. So here you can select your own custom domain, or you can use a free domain by Systeme. I'm going to use free one because you will have access to this free domain. Here you can click on build an audience, and here you can change the currency US dollar and click save. That was the name for funnel. I have typed my own name. Let's type a name for an affiliate offer. For this example, I am going to use affiliate offer, that is 72-hour challenge. I am an affiliate for that. This is 72-hour challenge / freedom accelerator by Jonathan Montoya. For this demonstration purpose, I am going to use this name for funnel. I will copy this name. I'm going to rename this as demo. Our funnel is created. Let's click on this, and here you need to select a template for the squeeze page, and then the second would be thank you page. I will be selecting very simple template here. Check out next templates. You can use the next button on this page. Keep searching and we will be on the right page here. Next. I'm going to use this very simple basic template. The simpler it is, the better it would be converting. So select this one. Here you need to change the name, 72-hour challenge landing or landing page. Remove the word challenge, just 72 hours landing page. Here you can see this edit button. Before editing it, you can also view this. Very simple looking. We will be changing everything on this page. It's a template, so we can edit this. Just click on the edit page button here, and I will be copying everything from this page, so everything is congruent, color scheme and fonts, etc. First of all, you need to get rid of this. Just click on the trash can. So firstly, we need to change the heading. We can copy this heading from the offer we are promoting. I will copy this one and go back to this page here. I will reduce the size a bit so that it fits on 2 lines. And second thing, I will change the font. I will use custom font Montserrat semi-bold. Okay, now we can reduce the size so that it is in 2 lines like this, and select to H1. Reduce the size again. Now we can change the color here. Select this text box and click on color and select very similar color as we saw on the offer page. We can change this text as well. Just copy from the offer page, copy and Ctrl V, and I will also change the color of this to black. I will bold this and change the font to previous font, that was Montserrat. Okay, full stop here. Now we can delete this extra field. Just hover on the field and click the trash can or delete button. You can also delete the first name if you want to, but I am not going to delete this one. So you need to change the button text and color. Just click on this and click on the setting button here. Scroll down and change the font to get instant access. Now we will be changing the color of this button. It is blue. We will use the same color, or you can use the red color if you like to do so. I am going with this color and use the same color I have used previously. Our landing page is created. Just click on the button and it says action when button clicks submit form, and it is selected as to the next step. Now our landing page is ready. Just click on save changes. You can also preview this by clicking on the I button, and here we go. Our very simple landing page is ready. Next, you can add a background image if you want to. Just click on the setting buttons here. Just go to the background image and upload the image from your PC, or if you previously uploaded an image, I can select this one, insert, and it will be inserted in the background. I can click save changes, then I can preview this page again. Now you can see it is looking better. Now we can go back, click on the setting again, and under the image option I can select full width and save changes. Our landing page is ready. You need to click this to exit. We will be creating next page, that is thank you page. So click on the thank you page here, and here you need to select any template. I will be selecting very basic template here. I am going to use this one. Select template, and I will click on the edit page, and here you can change everything. You can write congrats like this, and you can say check your email for more information. Okay, now you can, if your offer comes with a video, you can also upload a video here. Just click on this video icon. It will take you to the upload button. Here you can either select use a direct link, or you can click on the upload file and upload a video of your own. But for now I am going to delete this. I am not going to use any video. Okay, I will be deleting this button as well. I will add my own button and delete everything. So I will add a button here just below. Just scroll down and add, click on this button, and here we can say are you. So I will copy text from my previously created page, that is this one. I will copy this one, paste here to save time. I can also delete this extra line of text. Are you ready to build your online business and be your own boss? Check out this 72-hour challenge. Now here we can add this and button. Click on the button here, and it will open setting page here. And before doing this, just change this action. Just change it to open URL, and here you can paste your affiliate link. I will go to my affiliate dashboard and copy link. This is the link for this affiliate offer. I will paste here, so that it will take the user to the affiliate link. Last thing, you can change the color of this button and text. Here is the button color. I will use this one like this. So we need to change the text as well. It says click here. You can write take 72 hours challenge now. You can delete the second line of text. Just scroll down, and where it says subtext here, just delete it, and here we go. We have added our text here. Change the font to match the previous one. It was Monserrat, and button text should also match. So Roboto, not Google, Monserrat, and set it to bold. Double check the settings, click on the button, and see the action is open URL, and your link is pasted here. Once you have done this, just click on the save changes. You can also delete this section altogether and click save changes again, and click on the I button, and it will show you the thank you page, that is congrats. Check your email for more information. Are you ready to build your own business? Here is the button. If you click on the button, it will take you to the affiliate offer. So our funnel is ready. All we need to do is last step, that is creating an email campaign for this. So for email campaigns, just go to the emails here, click on the campaigns, and click on the plus button. I will create another campaign with the same name, like 72 hours challenge. I will write demo. Okay, I will write YouTube here in the description. Save. Our demo campaign is ready. With the free version of System.io, you will only be creating one campaign. Before you create an automation campaign, you need to add a rule to your funnel. That is automation rules. Every time a subscriber subscribes to your funnel, he will receive an auto email from you. To do that, you need to connect your funnel to your campaign. We will do this through the automation rules settings. First of all, go to your funnel, select your relevant funnel, and go to automation rules. Before doing this, you need to have a campaign, that is here under campaign section. You can see we have already created our campaign there. So we can go back to our funnels, select our funnel, this one, then automation rules, and here we can create add rule. Funnel step form subscribe. Select this option. Here you can click on this three dots and edit automation rule and add action, then subscribe to the campaign. Then select your relevant campaign. I have added this campaign. This is 72 hours challenge demo. Click this, then click on save rule. Now every time anybody enters the first name and email address, he will be subscribed to this campaign, this one, and he should start receiving emails from you. So next I will show you how I have created these automation emails. So let's move on to the next section. To create an email automation, we will go to the email section here and then click on campaigns, and then you need to select your campaign. I am going to select this one, that is 72 hours challenge demo. Once this is selected, here you can start creating your email that will be auto sent to your list on a given interval. So first of all, you will need to create very first email. Just click on create. Here you need to write the subject and sender name and your domain name. Here you can select your own custom domain or free domain from system.io. So what to write in the first email? You can get this from your affiliate offer. I can go to the assets. Most affiliate programs also give you email swipes that you can send to your email list. Here we could go to the resource link. It will give us email swipes. Get email swipes. Here it will show me a folder on Google Drive that I can open and copy emails. That is 72 hours email swipes. Just click this folder. Now these are the old email swipes. These are the brand new. I can click brand new email swipes. And this is the very first email you can send to your email subscribers. This would be subject. Copy all this. Go back to system.io and here you can paste and then click on save. Always select classic editor. Just copy and paste whole email from your affiliate offer. Just copy this. Just remove this name section. Copy, paste here, and here you can write your own name. Like my name is Subha. I can remove this. I can write best regards Subha. I can change the font. Go to here and to 20. Okay, all you need to do is just remove these links. Add your own affiliate links here and here. I can get my link, copy the link and go back to our system.io email. Just select, highlight this text and then go to link option, edit link, remove the first one and paste your own link just here, and repeat the same process here. Just remove the first link, delete and add your own link here and save. So once this is saved, it will be auto sent anytime a new subscriber subscribe your form. You can write hi, and if you have collected the first name, you can also use a first name code from here. This is the first name. You can just copy this and paste here. This would auto pull the first name of your email subscribers. If you are not collecting names, just you can remove this. You can write hi and you can paste your email here and swipe the links and then click on save. Now click on exit. Here this is added but it is not active. You can click here and activate, and it will ask you when you need to send this email. Just leave this as is, and delay time you can set to not days, and you can set 2 minutes or 3 minutes here or 5 minutes. I'm going to write 2 minutes. Once person subscribe to your list, after 2 minutes he will receive this very first email. To create a second email, you can again go to this one, create, and paste a second email from your email swipes folder. Just go back to your email swipes folder. This is the second email, and you can just copy everything, the headline, click on classic editor, save. Now here you can paste your email. I can copy all this. You can change a bit if you want to, but most of the time it works very fine because they know the art of copywriting. Control V, paste here, write your name, talk soon, Subha. Okay, again you need to change the links here. You can add your link to this one. Just go back to your affiliate offer, copy link in the system.io, just highlight this and remove the first one, add your own link. Now once you are done, you can click on save, then you can click on exit, and here is the second email. You need to go activate this. Just click on activate, and here you can add the delay. I will be sending this email after 1 day of this first email, so I have selected the interval here, and I can also select the email after which this should be live. So this was our first email. 1 day after this email, we will be sending our second email. I am going to activate this, and you can also see the order. This is our first email, then is delay of 1 day, and this would be our second email. In this way, you can add multiple emails, and these will be automatically sent on your intervals. So this is how you can create very simple 2-page funnel for affiliate marketing or landing page for affiliate marketing. You can also create an automation campaign. Once you are done with creating your landing page or funnel, and also you have created your campaigns and automations, you can finally go to your funnels again, and in front of your funnel you can click on view. It will open your landing page or sales funnel in a new tab. You can copy the link, and this would be your URL for your funnel. You can promote this and start building your email list. If you want to change the URL, you can go back to your funnel again here, click on this, open this, and here you can change the all small letter 72 hours challenge. Okay, now our URL is saved. You can click on the view funnels tab, and this would be your new URL for promoting your or sharing your landing page or sales funnel. If you want this funnel, I can share this with you. The link would be in the description of this video. If you want this, you can add this to your System.io account in one click. Do check out the link in the description. System.io is free software. No credit card is needed. You can use this up to 2000 email subscribers, one automation, one tag, and one workflow. So I think this is really cool software, and you should be using this for affiliate marketing and creating landing pages. So that is all from me today. If you have questions, do let me know. Do give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.